Hello mga ka-tester. Today we have a new apps to share. Okay, this app is different app than I'm doing it. This one I just discovered this one. It's like I just want to share with you guys. And this app is a paid app. You can make money in this app while you're playing. If you love, like, you see my app in there, I have Candy Crush there. I have poker. If you like that apps, that games, you can make money on that. Okay, I'm going to show you this app called Misplay. This one here. Okay, right, this one in here. You can see this one in here. Like whatever you can see in this app, you can make money in this one. If you like poker, you can search what kind of app that you can play. Not just that one, more app that you can play that support it with this kind of app that you can make points and you can earn money, real money. That's the app that you can get it. Just search what you want to play it. It's better if you, for example, you're playing, like I see my wife playing Candy Crush and Puzzle. If she like this one here, maybe she can download this one and make money. I think this is solitary in here. It's like, why not to try it? Okay, I'm gonna show you. Go to shop. You can convert your points on this. You can get Visa, Amazon, Walmart, Xbox, Apple, Best Buy, Cineplex, and that's the thing. And you can make these points for a money. Like right now, I just started. I have 385 already, and I didn't download. I didn't play yet. And there's a thing like a bonus thing here. Click that one there. You can get 10,000 points if you invite two friends. Just invite two friends, and if that friends join in this one here, you can make money. It's $10,000 already. 10,000 points is what? Shop. You have like what? $50 already. That's not bad. And while you're playing, you're earning points while you're playing. For example, you're playing like what? 15 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day in your Candy Crush or whatever your games that you're gonna pick. You can make money. Why not while playing make points and make real money? This is the only thing I can share to you guys that can make real money. This is real thing. This is not a joke. This is a real. I just see this one on one of the ads that pop out on my thing, and I read it. I check it. Once you get your 5,000, like almost 6,000 points for $25. Yeah, 5,900. Just get the Visa. Visa, you can use it anywhere. Like me, every time I'm using Amazon, I can make Amazon for 5,900. I got $25 Canadian. See, you can make your points as a real money. Okay, guys, this is one app that I can show it to you that you can make a real money. Bonus. See this one here, if you do these things, you can make your points. You can earn points. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, like this one here, earn 15. When you subscribe, you can make 15. In here, every friend you invite is 100 points. See, there you go. But this one in here, this is it's gonna be the end in 6 days. And chance, like, how was this one here? See, I just need to install one new game. I put two games already. Invite two new friends. If you get that one there, you get your 10,000 points, and that's almost $50 already. Okay, if you want to know about these apps, subscribe, comment, share it. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys how to do this one, and I'm going to discover more things about these games, these apps. And it's not only this app, there's some more. I'm going to check it, which one is the best. For me, this is an easy one, because I just play like what, I think 5 minutes on Candy Crush. I just try it, I got 25 points already. Okay, that's easy how you do it. Just play it. I don't play too much in these things because I'm doing something. I just discovered this one to share it to you guys. Okay, I hope you like it. Try it. Ask a question. Please subscribe. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.